much. That's being not extra. I've been ready. The moment is gone.
It's just a redo.
Actually, why are we going back?
Exactly, Ella. Tell them why.
Why are we going back?
Well, the guy drove over here. Look at this, you guys.
He got the dog.
This is damn beautiful. And right in our backyard. Literally, like, so close to our house. Wasn't that close to our house? That is so beautiful. We're gonna get out and we're gonna walk and we're gonna get close up. So yeah, it's just so many people here. It's like being in California without being in California. Don't get my white ass legs.
Don't get your white legs? Ella, your legs are what, white or black?
Mad white, beyond. It's about to be like
Maybe Asian legs I have?
You got Asian legs? What the heck? There's a trail. I guess it goes up there. Like, when we went to California, we was like, where do you find the Hollywood Hills at? This thing is massive. Don't go to the dog, Ella. You scared of the dog? Look, that kid is rolling down.
next time I'm coming prepared with a blanket and a bag, a whole sleeping bag, a whole air bed. I'm gonna come with Ella's toys.
Wait, see?
What?
They're rocking.
You're what?
They're right there. People them that you're looking for. And make you feel good tonight. Ella. Ella Bella. Ella, come. That's a pool, right? Not a pool, like a fountain? Probably was a fountain. Ah!
Whoa!
So the air is so fresh. I smell some whiskey. Somebody hitting that marijuana. It's a cigar. I smell a little whiskey. Put your mask on, son.
There's nobody here.
This tree probably look mad good in the summer.
It looks so good right now. It just matches with the background.
Yeah. Oh, the air is fresh. Feel like I'm on the beach.
Oh my god, I wish I had a thing right here.
What? Oh, here we go, Ella. Here we go. Here we go. Wow. Ella, isn't that amazing? Very amazing. Ah, it's so beautiful. Yeah? What's that? I know it's water. Wow. Come, let's go to mommy.
My phone won't let me take any pictures.
Yeah, you got too much damn video in your phone.
And then it's like because the videos are, the pictures are live.
You gotta change your settings.
I want to touch it.
Wanna touch it? Look at these fools. Wow. Look how big it is. I feel like I could climb that wall. How did they get up there though? Poor guy. Wow. There's a little hike. She's red in the face, guy.
I'm mad tired.
There's a little hike to the most beautiful part.
I surely didn't miss my workout today. Shit. My shoes is taking a beating.
Ella's face.
We're about to sit on the rock again.
Can I take another break? What it says? Top.
The park is down.
No, this one say aquatic trail. So the dam is over there? Quick question. Do you guys know how that way to the top, right?
Yeah.
Okay, because I'm reading aquatic trail. I'm like, oh man, what's going on?
This way.
All right, thank you.
There.
Thank you.
You're gonna be so happy.
Ella, you will be.
Of the water.
Gonna be so beautiful.
This is why you wear layers of clothes.
That's why you just wear athletic wear. You want to take off? You want to take off your Spanx?
What's spring?
You want to take off your Kim Spanx? Oh man! All right, we gotta put our mask on. Guys, look, we're overlooking the top. Right there, we're getting close. Oh, there's an ice cream truck. Look where they put an ice cream truck at the end of the trail. That's crazy. We're almost there. Well, we got water in our bag. Flash, you can just grab me, man. You're the Flash, right? You can just take me right there. Right now. Just grab me and bring me back. Oh man. Woo! We made it, guys. We made it. Ella, we made it. Ella, how you feel?
Feel fantastic. Amazing.
Wow, babe, how you feel?
Awesome.
Awesome?
Let my sweat dry now.
Oh,
Catch the wind on my sweat.
that's crazy.
For ice cream.
Ella ready for an ice cream? Wow, look at that. Look at that. Holy moly. Wow.
The footage is not enough.
Yeah,
Look
the
at that
footage.
house all the way up there. I get to see them every single day.
Oh yeah, they got a crazy view.
Look at them all the way at the top. Oh my God. Lord.
Man, we was just down there. Holy smoke. Yo, that shit is fuck, bro. The camera is not even recording. I'm scared, boy. Them things scared of height. Holy snap. I might be starting to be scared of heights, yo. Yo, I never used to be afraid of heights. But that shit is far, bro. Oh, I like that, man. The hank, oh, that's cool. Yeah, the handkerchief. Yo, it's so deep down there.
Oh, it feels amazing up here.
Wow.
Guys, get you a house in the suburbs.
Guys, move to the mountains. I could touch the cloud. Look, see, I just touched it.
Shoot, make it a trip every
I just touched the
3
cloud.
months at least. You need to reset and refresh.
Yo, the air is fresh up here, man. This is like Mount Olympus. Whoa, here we go. We're at the edge. Yo, look how much feet of water it is, bro. See that? I don't know if you can see it. It says 197 feet. Woo! That's crazy. 206 feet it can get to, yo. Oh man, so beautiful. Guys, I had to do it, yo. This shit is scary, boy. I'm holding on for dear life right now. Oh man. Alright, that's all I got for. So I got to the top, bro. Top is crazy.